Observe the math, children, carefully. Okay, it is about the physical division. Just pause the video and try to observe the map. Okay, this is our India map. Okay. Our topic is conserve water. What does it mean, children? Conserve water means we should save water. We should prevent wasting water. Should think how to conserve water and how to prevent wasting water. So, we should be very careful about how we use the water. Okay, while we are using water, we should take care how we are using water. Is there we are wasting water? We have the choices. Okay, what choices? Two choices: to conserve water resources or pollute them. Okay, it is in our hand. We can pollute the water or we can save the water. Okay, water pollution is a common phenomenon around us. Now remember this point, children. It's very important point. Everybody indulged in wasting water. If we keep in our mind, that's the first point, we should not pollute the water. We should not waste the water, means it will definitely affect us. If we keep on doing the same thing, definitely one day we will face the big crisis of water. Avoid this and we should save water. We throw garbage or join sewage to rivers, and so on. For example, beach. While we are going to beach, we should not throw our wastage in the beach itself or in the water. We do regularly, definitely it will affect to aquatic animals and plants, and it will pollute also, which will not good for us and for our animals also. It will affect to our environment. If it is affect to our environment, definitely it will affect to our body, isn't it? And especially the sewage, from the factories, they directly join to the rivers. This will 100% affect to the animals and plants of the aquatic. So we should try to avoid all those things. So we should avoid by doing this such phenomena. Making water contaminated and not fit for us. What we are doing by our activities? We are polluting water. We are contaminated the water, and which will not fit for our daily requirements, even the aquatic animals and plants. This increases the scarcity water for our household. What I told you, the same thing is repeating here. If we keep on doing, if we not understand the value of water, definitely we will face a great scarcity. So for this we should avoid wasting water and we should conserve water by doing such steps. Now just look at this picture here. Water we are getting which is not enough, so we are facing such circumstances, isn't it? Now children, you can easily do these. It's easy steps. It is not very hard to conserve water. First point, take water in a bucket, okay, for bathing instead of using shower, okay. So while we are taking bath, we should not use shower. If you use shower, we are wasting more water, okay. So we should use bucket instead of shower. After washing vessels, check if the taps are closed, because many times we are not closing the water properly and the wasting waters by dropping out, isn't it? So we should close the water properly. The water which you have used to wash vegetable, you can use that for watering the plant. Close the tap while brushing your teeth. These are the methods for water conservation.